Hey everybody, Jason here. So today I'm going to show you how to do the Bivy Bag style tarp shelter with the AquaQuest 3 meter by 3 meter sil nylon tarp. Let's have a look. The good things about this tarp shelter is that it offers good protection from both the wind and the rain. And like I said, you only need one tree or anchor point. The negative about this shelter is that it really doesn't offer much room inside. Okay, so the first thing that I'm doing is just anchoring off my ridge line, my paracord. Now, ideally, you want your ridge line to be anchored off at about 4 or 5 feet. So this may be a little bit too high, but I do have 25 feet, so I can run it out quite a distance. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so with my ridge line anchored off to the tree, the next thing is just to get out my tarp. And then I'm going to lay it down on an angle or a diagonal so that one corner is pointing towards my anchor point on the tree. Then from here, I'm just going to temporarily, loosely tie one end of my ridge line to that pointing corner of the tarp. Then once that's done, I'll go to the complete opposite side, opposite corner, and I'm going to peg it down into the ground. Okay, so the next step is to anchor my middle loop on my tarp down to the ground. And I'll do it on both sides. Okay, so now that I have it secured in place, all I'm going to do next is just tuck underneath the loose tarp, and that'll become my floor. Okay, so I have it all pegged off. I have my floor tucked in underneath. Now I'm just going to come back to my ridge line and tighten it up. Okay, and just like I've done with other shelters, I'm going to use a trucker's hitch. Just creating a loop in the main line. And then I pass my working end through the loop. And then I can pull it tight. And then all I have to do is just pinch it and do a slip knot. Okay, so the last thing I need to do is just crawl inside, gather up the floor tarp, and just pull it so it's nice and tight, and then peg it down. Okay, well, there you have it. This is the Bivy Bag Tarp Shelter. As you can see, compared to the body bag, there's still, about the same amount of space inside, to move around in, but there is quite a bit of depth. I've got a good floor, and we have this awning as well that sticks out quite far, which gives really good protection from the rain. The low profile and angle of the shelter is also really good against the wind. So, yeah, easy to set up. Anyhow, I hope you liked the video. If you have, please give it the thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. And if you'd like to check out other tarp shelters, then have a look at our playlist. Okay, thanks for watching.